Move on to the next talk in our session from Hubert, Borja. Produce water ecosystems, mechanical evaporation for wastewater disposal.
Yeah, everybody, it's a pleasure. Be a kind of participant in this forum for my organization that is sitting in Colombia. We are just devoted all our effort in trying to return the value to the water. And then the idea with this initiative here in Colombia is to how to focus our effort in returning the value of the water using our resources for all industrial process here in Colombia. As you know, every industrial process using water resources either coming from underground or superficial water stream use it, and in some matter the water end with a different quality, and then our mission is to basically return the quality of the water was taken before the industrial process use it, and then being able to dispose the water using an approach that we call mechanical evaporation. And then the benefit and our target is to end with a so-called water use neutrality for all industrial process in Colombia. We are a company that incepted in Colombia in the year 2014, and we are just still struggling and dealing with the oil and gas industry, all kind of industrial process, geothermals, and power generation that use ones of through cooling water system in order to being able to offer then our value to return the value of the initial water that they take or took in order for other potential users to be able to use the same water resources. Next, please. And then basically our technology is a kind of interesting approach that basically use the benefit and the quality and the characteristics of the water to being able to evaporate without using any heat. And then our approach is to use this kind of technology in rural areas when the energy and the power facility are not really available. And then basically our process is based on the environmental and meteorological characteristic of the area. Here in Colombia, the network of the meteorological station is quite scarce, and then the use of the power data in order for us to be able to evaluate and conceptualize a project where basically we are going to be able to apply our technology is quite valuable for us. And then in that regard, we are in a position now to reduce any potential risk in technical and economical and environmental approach in order to go and step into the next stage of the project with the potential customer with a minimal risk in terms of cost, in terms of technical, and in terms of environmental risk. And then in that regard is that why we value the power data access information for us to being able to be in a position to go and to contact potential customers where basically are located in rural areas, mainly oil and gas industry, that they produce a lot of water coming out of the reservoir, and then we are going to be in a position to return the value of those water that are highly contaminated with oil and gas and other mineralogical contaminant, and then we are then able to clean the water and to return the water to the potential user of the area. Even we basically, by performing mechanical evaporation, we can transform the liquid water in vapor, and we basically, instead to dump water into the soil or superficial water stream, we basically are cloud makers.
Barry, you have about 30 seconds.
Next, please. And then we found that the power data obviously enhance our mission in regard of being able to tackle potential projects where basically are not going to be possible without having these facilities in terms of meteorological data coming from the power data NASA platform. In that regard, we are just quite thankful and appreciate the value of the power data in order for us to continue dealing with the opportunity to offering to the Colombian society, offering to the industrial actors to promote and return the water value to the society again. Thanks for your opportunity.